Hello guys, okay, we are going to do membership fees in this video and hopefully they are going to ask it in the exam. Okay, membership fees. Now it's a account that looks like this. We are on question 5 of TAT letter 102 and they are asking for the general ledger account. The general ledger account. So the general ledger is this T thingy with the debit on the left and the credit on the right. Okay, so remember when we spoke about T accounts, we said if you can start with bank. So this is like a little bank just to give us direction. And we also need our crib notes here is equity equals assets minus liabilities minus plus plus minus minus plus. Okay, so bank is an asset, so it pluses on this side. Now with membership fees, you would see in the question they give you membership fees received 101,000. So if you received membership fees, it would have made your bank more. So your bank side here, you would have said membership fees or income received, membership income on the debit side. So on the credit side, you'll have your bank, and they give you the amount there, 101,000. So that's our first one that we're going to start with. Okay, then from that we can see that the membership fees increases on this side and decreases on this side. All right, because the bank has to be debited when the money comes in. So the credit will be the membership fees, so there's our bank. So when we get money in, it's this side. Now the other thing that we had here is beginning of our financial year, 1st of April 2020, beginning of the financial year, there was membership fees prepaid. Okay, prepaid membership fees. So here I want to write prepaid membership fees, but they call it income received in advance. Income received in advance. And that amount there, membership fees prepaid, 20,000. Okay, so that was paid last year already, but it was paid for this year, which means it has to go this side. Okay. Then there's also membership fees that was never paid, it was in arrears. So that is accrued income, income owed to us, accrued income of 15. All right. But of the accrued income here, by point number 2.6, they say that the club had 190 members. Okay, 190. That all paid 500 Rand. Okay, and that comes to 95,000. Now, all of the members pay the membership fees for the current year. 7,500 of the membership fees that were in arrears at the beginning of the year must be written off as irrecoverable. So 7,500 of that must be written off. So I'm going to write it this side, and this is credit losses of 7,500. Okay. So we have credit losses on this side. Then, while we are busy with membership fees, we have a special member here today, and that is my stepson, Stefan. So let me just ask Stefan quickly to introduce himself. Hi, Stefan.
Hi.
He's very excited. He wanted to see me make a video, so he's learning about membership fees, even though he's only 10 years old. Okay. Membership fees gets more on this side and gets less on this side. Okay. But here, the credit loss comes on this side. Okay, the credit loss comes on that side. Then we almost have everything. I think we're missing something for here. Membership fees received, 101. Membership fees in arrears was the 15. The prepaid goes this side, 20. The credit losses come this side. So I think that's what we can have. Yes. Okay. So this is all the information that's obvious. Then the not so obvious one is this. Okay. In a T account, we're going to have a total here at the bottom, which will be the same. Okay, we're going to have a total over here. And yeah, there's a lot of detail, but we don't really need all the detail. So let me just keep it easy. Okay, just memorize that when there's membership fees, the bank amount comes from what they give you as what they received. But what you take into income, so what you take into income and expenditure. Income and expenditure, yeah, that's the name. Income and expenditure over here, you put that 95,000. So that was, the 95,000 is 500 Rand per member times 190 members. Okay, that equals 95,000. And that you put over there at income and expenditure because you want to, at the end of the day, have an income and expenditure account. And this will look like that. It'll be equity, so it'll minus on this side and it'll plus on this side. And membership fees will make equity more. So membership fees will have to be on this side. Membership fees, 95,000. And because it's over here in your income and expense account, it will be there. So it's what you do at the end when you close off the account. But we are not finished closing off the account because we now have to work out these totals. So you have to write the biggest one of the two down. So on this side, we've got 95,000 plus 15, so that'll give us 110,000. 110 on this side. Then on this side, we have 101,000 plus 7,500 plus 20,000 equals 128. So that's the bigger one. So we're going to write the bigger one here, 128,500. 128,500. Thank you, Steph. Now 128,500 is not the total over here, but we have to make it the total because it has to, they have to be equal. Okay, this one and this one has to be equal. So we take the 128 and we minus that. So minus 95,000 minus 15,000, and that gives us 18,500. Now what is this 18,500 lying here in the middle of nowhere? Any guesses? Why do we have money there? It was members who prepaid their membership fees. So that one received in advance, it's this one, received in advance. So I don't think it's called received in advance. Let me just double check for us. It is called, yeah, income received in advance. Wonderful. Exactly the same as there. Income received in advance, 18,500. And that, by the way, is where that one comes from. So this is how you end off the year. And then in the new year, which you don't have to write now, you'll bring that money here again. And you'll say income received in advance, just like there. And it'll be 18,500. Okay, great. That's membership fees. Don't overthink it. It's not necessary to understand in absolute detail. It's just accounting one. All you need to remember is that you're awesome and we're going to pass the subject. Okay, cool. Bye.